Hi friends, it's a little bit cramped back here, but basically I had an issue with my furnace. What was going on was I would get it to fire up, you'd hear the fan going, you could actually see the flame, but the flame would last about 4 seconds, then it would die. About a minute later, it would kick on again, exactly the same thing, 4 seconds of flame, die. That would happen in a series of threes, and then the system would shut down for a while. And then a little while later, it would kick on again, and I'd have the same thing occur. And I went in and I watched it, I checked the filter, and then I realized, I remember coming across this once before, and it had to do with the element that actually tests whether or not a flame is occurring. If a flame doesn't hit this element, this machine thinks that it's just spewing like gas, I guess, into the house, and so it automatically shuts down the system. So what I'm going to do right now is test that. I'm going to check and see if I have a faulty flame detector and show you how to fix that. If I can, maybe just clean it and then see if it works. In my furnace, the indicator thing is right there, and it goes down into the flame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew that, pull this out, and take a look at it. All right, I pulled out the sensor, and it has a lot of char on it. And so that makes me think that it is probably dirty. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to touch that, I'm going to use this. You know, any kind of steel wool will work. Actually, probably the finer the better, or I guess I could probably use something like this. And I'm going to clean that and then reinsert it and see if that makes a difference. Now, I'm being careful not to be super crazy. Something else I should have reminded everybody about is to make sure that they turn off the power. And so I'm just cleaning this off because, yeah, there's a lot of just nastiness on it. And I bet that'll make a difference. So I'm just going to use this steel wool kind of thing. If I had regular steel wool, I would use it, but it's already showing a dramatic difference. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is much smoother than it was. So I'm going to replace it and then turn on the power and see if it works for us. Because here's the deal. If this works, this can save you a ton of money. All right, friends, so I was able to get the sensor back in, and I went in here, let's see, and I made sure that the sensor itself was actually right directly in the flame. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the system and see how well it works. Stay on. Yes!